Maximus have a Halloween costume. Ooh. See the spider, Max? Where's the spider? Wow. Is the spider your friend? Where's Maximus then? Is that Maximus? Yeah, that's a real Maximus, that is. That's a cute skeleton. Yeah. Happy Halloween, everyone. Max, a happy Halloween, everyone. Max. Hey, so the camera, where is the spider then? What color?
It's red.
Is it, what color is the spider?
Black.
Or the eyes?
Red.
Huh?
Red.
Ooh, what's that? It's a skeleton face. Yeah? Whoa.
She's got a
What color is the skeleton color? The face?
white and blue and green.
Yes, and a bit of white, yeah?
Yeah.
You got a broken nose? So the camera then turn around then?
He's got broken nose.
Oh, broken nose. Oh no. Is your Maximus broken nose or nice nose?
Nice.
Yeah, yours is nice. Whoa, hello everyone. Maximus wearing a Halloween costume, yeah?
I wonder what it this.
Is it?
That is flat.
Oh, see this one then. See the camera then. Oh,
Flat.
see Maximus spider.
It's flat.
Oh, Maximus spider got a skeleton head, yeah?
Flat.
Is it flat? That's alright.
Flat.
Oh. Is it? Shall we put it back there? Yeah? Shall we? It's meant to be there, yeah? Whoa, bye-bye, spider. Bye. That's Mommy in the mirror. Mommy not wearing anything yet. Yeah, hey. Can I go to school then? Hello, cat. Hey, cat, come on in. Yes, hello, good morning, cat. Come on in. Come on, ride the bike then. Oh, Maximus go to school, ride a bike. Come on, fast then. Fast. Come on then, pedal it fast then. Jalanannya nggak rata ya, jadi susah buat anak-anaknya, Max. Oh, careful. Oh, wait, somebody's coming. Glory. Oh, that big glory. Turn around, man. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, turn around. Hey. Oh, berat ini. Ya. Oh. Oh, nabrak pot ini. Yeah, is it nice? Sing and kring, kring, kring. Ada sepeda. Sepedaku roda 4. Max. Need to look the road first. Is there any car? Okay, cross the road then. No car. Okay, Mommy, help a bit. Whee! We're stuck. Yeah? Can you push it or not? Good then. So I don't need to look back. Let me. Whoa, sliding. It's. Be careful then. Flash probably then. What's wrong? Kan? Ya, pedal then. Pedal then. Kayak tuh, Chen. Nabrak lah Mami nih. Kena itu. Kena rumput. naik sepeda ke sekolah. Tapi ini jalanannya raya sih ya, maksudnya jalan. Halo, good morning. Are you alright? Saya benjak guys, Benjaminnya. Benjamin and Annie. Oops. Got the screw over there. Be careful not crossing the car. Turn around. Turn this way. Turn around this way. Don't cross the car. Can I? Oh. Ini udah mau perempatan. Senin. Wow, drive presiden. Tuh ada jembatan. Tadi lewat ini ya, lewat nyebrang jalan, jadi aku harus pegangin dia. Gak bisa aku shooting ya, bahaya. Oh, Maximus go under the bridge. Ya. Ini stasiun ya, stasiun. Oh, pohonnya bagus banget ya, udah warna-warna. So much. Ya, drive then, faster. Drive faster. Ini gereja ya, gerejanya tinggi banget. Roman, ayo stop. It's alright, I'm here still. Hey. Hey. What? You have some no? You want to drink water? Are you thirsty, Max? Ya? Ya. Minum dulu guys ya. Istirahat. 2 menit. Ini sudah sampai di sekolahnya Max ya. Sekolahnya Max. Keren. Pedal it. Heavy. Very fast. Park then. Park your bike here then. Put the bike here, did you, Max? Hey, this is from here. Yeah? This is parking your bike there. Go down first, mommy help ya.
Yeah.
Put it here, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Max's bike. Put it here, yeah? Okay, parking there, yeah? Go to school, press the door then.